Shifu. There is just news. There is no good or bad.
Master, your vision was right. Tai Lung has broken out of prison. He's on his way.
That is bad news. If you do not believe that the Dragon Warrior can stop him.
The Panda? Master, that Panda is not the Dragon Warrior. He wasn't even meant to be here. It was an accident.
There are no accidents.
Yes, I know. You've said that already. Twice.
Well, that was no accident either.
Thrice.
My old friend, the Panda will never fulfill his destiny, nor you yours, until you let go of the illusion of control.
Illusion?
Yes. Look at this tree, Shifu. I cannot make it blossom when it suits me, nor make it bear fruit before its time.
But there are things we can control. I can control when the fruit will fall. And I can control where to plant the seed. Hiya! That is no illusion, Master.
Ah, yes. But no matter what you do, that seed will grow to be a peach tree. You may wish for an apple or an orange, but you will get a peach.
But a peach cannot defeat Tai Lung.
Maybe it can, if you are willing to guide it, to nurture it, to believe in it.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dream Wise here for another one. Today we're going to walk through this Kung Fu Panda. Remember, loveliftlife.com. Go get your spiritual tools, family. Go get your Baphomet statues and walk by yourself every day. If you don't know, self-deification is a must. And is the whole thing to manipulating your energies. Subtle but obvious changes in your day-to-day life. Remember, symbols are the language of the subconscious mind. loveliftlife.com. Also like, subscribe, and share these videos. Thank y'all for y'all support. Also, somebody reached out to donate. So if you'd like to donate, PayPal. loveliftlife@gmail.com. Po might just be the laziest, clumsiest panda in the Valley of Peace, but he secretly dreams of becoming a Kung Fu legend. When the villainous snow leopard Tai Lung threatens Po's homeland, the hapless panda is chosen to fulfill an ancient prophecy and defend the valley from attack. Training under Master Shifu, Po embarks on an epic high-kicking adventure as he sets out to thwart Tai Lung's evil plans. Po wants desperately to become a Kung Fu master. He has a little voice inside of him that says, "This is his purpose. This is my destiny." The problem is, he forgot there's some work involved in the process. Now that y'all New Year's resolution is over and everybody came back to their own, let's do some work. Spiritual work, that is. See, some of y'all are thinking too much. You're still using that monkey brain to be. You're not using your spirit to tap into the knowing part of yourself. You are an energy. What you put in your body is an energy. So whatever is implanted in your subconscious mind to be good for you is going to work for you if you have the mindset. This is an illusion, so who knows what's actually good for you? Come on, say it with me now. You are the only one who knows what's right for you or what's wrong for you. You're the mad scientist. Go crazy with your experiments. If it works for you, keep it. If it doesn't, throw it away. Now, your body might have a different perspective, so you can't look for the physical to necessarily line up with your physical fantasy appearance. The mental is where the power lies, and is how you shape this reality down here. Why? Because you are not your body. Remember, your mental alchemy to things you do, food you eat, and so on and so forth. These energies always have to be in alignment with the energy you want to present to the world. For instance, my master teacher C. Freeman L. smoked cigarettes and drank 40s. That was in alignment with his energy. He didn't necessarily see it as affecting his spiritual journey. He turned the quote-unquote toxic behaviors and made them work for him. Mental alchemy. Subconscious mind. See, they're toxic to the worldview, but C. Freeman L. had a different outlook on things, still following his purpose and shining his light to the world. This is an eternal journey within, finding out what works for you. You are the scientist. Experiment. Do. How the fuck you know reading isn't good for you? You know what reading a book does? It taps into that imagination. As you're reading, you're imagining the idea, concept, or story the book is giving out to you. Right brain, right? This imagery is yours and yours to experiment with. That's how you're pulling stuff down to this earth plane. Just like in Poe's case, Master Shifu was able to finally break through to Poe and train him with his heart's desire. Food. Shifu was trying to train him like he did all his other students, but that wasn't working for Poe. He needed a different programming. Let's get to the fundamental key to this thing. Discipline is dealing with your heart. Only you know what's working for you or what's not working for you. Your heart is an intelligence of its own, and if you're not being honest with yourself, then you're not listening to your heart. For example, I did the Bobby Hemmett alchemy for a few years, and boy did I ever tap into higher realms. The science is you take 2 shots and then go into meditation. The problem was for me is I wanted more. I couldn't control that urge. And the more was taking me to different energies within myself. I became addicted to the Bobby alchemy. Taking shots in the morning, taking shots all the time. The feeling was strong and great, but it wasn't serving the energies I needed to use in the struggle of the day. I had to reevaluate myself and come pure of heart and let that go. Because we're so physical in nature, we have to repetitively train the mind with physical concepts. You have to address the addictive behaviors that's plaguing your spiritual progress. Only you know what those behaviors are. If you're truly a spiritualist and want to honestly know just to know, be addicted to your spiritual practices. Whatever it takes to get to the other side. Constant, consistent meditation, chakra balancing, experimenting with different rituals, spiritual baths, and so on and so forth. Rid yourself of chasing the world. That's demiurge energy. Make the world chase you. We're addicted to things on this earth while we're supposed to be addicted, infatuated with the internal self. Trying to be this and trying to be that. Fall in love with the spiritual aspect of you. Rid yourself of this demiurge energy. That's your ego telling you you can do whatever you want. You're a god. But what is your heart telling you? Follow your heart. Just like in Poe's case, when he was done with his training, Shifu says, now you can eat. And Poe tells him, I'm good. He programmed his reality to not feel the urge of the world, the demiurge. He knew that his overindulgence of eating wasn't serving his purpose. We are so physical in nature that we have to do these physical spiritual works to get our mind right. The physical work is to get your mind right. The physical spiritual work is to get your mind right. The object of the game is to plant it in your subconscious mind. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Subconscious plant. Y'all know that line dance y'all like to do? What's it called? The wobble. Y'all know that dance. Y'all know that dance like y'all know y'all ABCs. Every family reunion and birthday celebration. That's black people's knowing for real. Subconscious plant. You're not thinking of it, you know it. The knower. It's a subconscious programming that you gain understanding on. Subconscious programming is when you gain understanding. Programming your subconscious makes your will that strong. What they say, it takes 21 days to break a habit. Well, if your heart is showing you another path, break that habit. If you want change, change the things that don't serve you. Experiment. Only you know. Remember, there's no such thing as good or bad, so try everything and do what works for you. I am a divine being of light. I am safe, protected, and secure. I release any need to self-medicate with addictive substances and behaviors that don't serve me. I rule from a place of authentic power and control. I am worthy. I set boundaries with ease as an act of self-care and self-respect. I choose joy. I love myself unconditionally. I am able to speak my truth with ease. I embrace my psychic and clairvoyant abilities. I embody my spiritual gifts. I hear my intuition. I trust my inner teacher and follow its guidance. I am complete and one with the divine energy. I am connected to my soul's purpose. I am love. I am light. Dream wise.